here, sucker!
What a bunch of fools.
Oh, shit!
Oh, that was pretty cool. He's like, how does he get up so easy?
I'm a bowling pin again.
This ass here.
Oh, you little bastard! No angels.
I saw that, Linda. You ran to the trash can. He's still trying to make it up this damn hill.
It's still recording?
Yeah, it's blanked out and then it came back in. Oh! He still kept going. What is this? American Gladiators? You guys are crazy.
That's why I play football, bitches.
Fredford is so lame. Can you get up the hill already?
Oh, that's like fuck it.
Oh, they gonna land on you in a minute. A big ass slip and slide. Damn, you missed. Oh shit. We got a fight going on in this corner.